Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Warzone crashing issues using the latest technical diagnostic protocols. Let's get into it. First, execute the latest driver refresh. The first step is a mechanical necessity to ensure your hardware communicates correctly with the game engine. Outdated drivers are the primary technical failure point for any high-end gaming system. Open your graphics card software, NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Adrenalin. Click on the Drivers tab and perform a check for the latest software releases. If an update is available, select it. A clean driver install is the professional standard for engine stability. This technical action clears out registry conflicts, ensuring your latest GPU overhead is dedicated to Warzone stability. Next, initialize the latest integrity verification. Corrupted game files often cause unexpected studio-level crashes. You must verify that your local installation matches the developer's master build. Open your game launcher, Battle.net or Steam. Find Call of Duty in your library. For example, we're going to use this game. Click the gear icon or settings and select installed files, then verify integrity of game files. Running this repair protocol technicality re-downloads damaged shaders or assets, ensuring your professional setup is synchronized with the latest Warzone version. Lastly, verify system stability and finalize. The final step is the technical verification of your latest diagnostic changes to ensure the game engine maintains long-term stability. Restart your computer to apply the driver and power changes, then launch the game. If the game stabilizes, you have successfully completed the high-end optimization sequence. This final check is a mechanical necessity for latest professional success. Once stable, your studio setup is technicality optimized for the latest competitive environment. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.